Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to auto scroll on TikTok. For example, if you are watching videos and TikTok and you want the video to be swiped automatically by using auto scroll, how you can do that. So for this you have, first of all, you have to close the TikTok. After closing the TikTok, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the settings. In settings you have to look for the accessibility here, so you have to click on that. After that you have to look for the voice control here. In voice control you have to customize a command, which means you have to create a command that will work on TikTok as your swipe gesture. So you have to click on create new command, and here you have to write the command you want to use in the TikTok. And after that you have to set the gesture. So I am going to create a custom here, because if you want to see the next video on TikTok, so you have to simply just swipe on the screen. So we are going to save that gesture. After that we have to go back and we have to select the application, because we want to use that uh, voice command on TikTok. So we have to select that. After doing all the things here, you have to simply save. After that you have to go back and you have to turn on the voice control here. After turning on the voice control, you have to go back and close the setting. After that you have to again open the TikTok, and here you can simply use the voice command to swipe the videos. So I am going to use my voice to swipe the next videos by just simply saying next, and video will be swiped without any gesture from my side. So you have to just simply say next and video will be swiped. In this way you can just simply create auto scroll on TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.